Hi, Mel. Look at our luggage. Worth 7 weeks of vacation. So it's our third time in SFO in less than a month. We're flying to the Philippines. So it's our first time here at Polaris Lounge. Huh? I never been here, so.
There's just drinks.
Where?
And then the showers are like the small.
Oh, the shower is here? Oh, shower, and what else in here?
There's drinks.
Oh, let's see. This is where you stayed last time?
No,
When you you went upstairs? What do they have? Oh, just this? Decaf. Oh, I want some decaf. Sure, coffee and then some refreshing drinks. We finally found a spot here at the lounge. And I'm gonna go eat. Let's see what they have. This is such a big lounge. Wow. Oh, they have the same coffee here. What do they have? Oh, what did you get, Nang? Oh. Where's their, oh, they have dining room. Salads. What you getting, Daddy? What do they have? Oh, that's it. So this is what me and Melody got. That's Melody's. These are mine. Yummy? It's alright.
Okay.
Hi, Dad. Abby and mom-in-law.
Well, the food at the buffet is not very good. But the menu at the restaurant seems more promising.
Yeah, Daddy said that there's a dungeon scrub. Hi, Dad.
Second round.
Second round.
I'm here! This is a different amenities kit from last time. They had Therabody and now it's
Brooks Brothers.
Brooks Brothers.
Where's the pajama?
They hand it out.
Oh.
They give it to everyone.
And then the mattress pad.
You have to
Ask
request
for
it.
that.
Okay, that's fine.
You can ask for it now so that they don't run out. But I don't know where to put all of it.
What do you have? So that's the same.
It's the same. It's
Yeah.
just blue.
Yeah.
And then this is different. And
Oh.
they gave sauce last time, but it wasn't turkey sauce.
Mommy.
Hi, Miss Giolana.
Yes.
How are you, ma'am? I just want to verify that you pre-ordered the aged shrimp.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Giolana, I do have your beef, correct? Okay. And I have your shrimp. Right. Thank you.
You need to go on.
Oh, no, I know the brand.
And then like the amenities kit that they always have, like toothbrush, pen.
Oh, okay.
How are you, sir? So for that.
This is my dessert. Just plain ice cream. Ang sarap ng tulog, oh. Ito rin, oh, ang sarap ng tulog. Oops! How long did you sleep?
I slept 3:30 our time,
Wow, that's a lot of sleep.
but I keep waking up.
I didn't sleep at all.
Really?
So this is breakfast. We're here. Just arrived here at Conrad. This is where we are staying for 4 nights. Gingerbread house. Oh, I like this one. Mel, look at that. It didn't say anything that you cannot see.
Okay, we are at our hotel now, but our room isn't ready, so they have us staying in the executive lounge until it is.
And then there's some free refreshments. It's nice. And we have a nice view of Manila Bay. And this is the restaurants. This is what they have here at the executive lounge.
That looks really good.
It looks really good.
But I'm not that hungry.
Let's eat it. Actually, I want some oatmeal.
I ate all of my food at the plane.
I need to eat the rice.
Ube pandesal. There's a piece inside. There's a
That is their pool. So we are still waiting for our room. It's only 9:33, so I'm not sure how long we still have to wait. Do you see the IKEA? That's where we went like 3 weeks ago. We have to go back there 2 times. Finally, we got our room after waiting for so many hours. But anyway, we got here early, so check out is like 11. It's nice. We have a nice view.
I thought we would just be straight ocean.
Oh, we have the Ferris wheel in front of us.
That's the Ferris
nice.
wheel. Gilligan's.
Is that like a theme park down there?
Oh, what? Those are stores, huh?
Is that Mall of Asia right there? The big dome?
Yeah. That whole thing is Mall of Asia.
Which one?
The whole thing next to us.
Oh, is it? Mm.
Oh, so you entered there.
Okay. Nice view. Oh, Daddy, what is this? Manila Bay, right?
They're reclamation this water. That used to be water. They're reclamating it.
Yeah, why there's like sands?
They're reclamating, mommy. They're
This whole area was underwater.
This?
yeah.
Yes.
Oh. We have complimentary desserts. Oh, looks good. Presentation looks good. So we're just staying here and relax here at the pool. We're hungry. We haven't eaten anything. Okay, I got my order. Beef satay and chicken satay. You forgot to vlog? You're too hungry? Let's see, let's show. Okay, that's Melody's order. That's all it's left. Use my vlog, use my video.
Okay, I'm so hungry, I forgot.
Oh yeah? But you want on the shade, huh?
It's okay when you get in. But then when you get out, it's really warm.
Nice pool. Good morning. It's our second day. We're going to have a breakfast at Brasserie. Huh?
There's a what?
Santa? Let's see, what is this? Conrad. Oh, okay. Oh, it's this one. I'll try.
Here.
Thank you.
Why you don't want it?
Oh, they have taho. I'll get this later, taho. Wow. Fruit station. And probably... Oh, I'm gonna get omelette. So this is American. Oh, they have pancit. They call it the plastic. Nasaan yung ano nila? Mga biko. Tsaka pa. are they desserts? Oh, I think nasa harap. Well, you want the American? They have an omelette in there.
It's Indian.
Oh yeah, they do. Okay, what am I gonna get here? Cranberry, orange press pork. You know what? I'm gonna try this pineapple. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, this is what I got. May pritong isda, tapos talong, pansit. Meron din I will share. We're going to walk today to Mall of Asia. I think this is another lobby for the hotel. It says inside there's like a north lobby and south lobby.
So where's Hong Kong?
I don't know. Maybe it's not a part of Conrad, but ano?
It's attached to Conrad as a part.
Yeah. Ang ganda dito. This is by Conrad. So this is not part of Conrad.
What's a monument here?
Ano pala daw to? S. Maison Mall. So we go through the bridgeway to go Mall of Asia from S. Maison. Wow, this is such a big mall. Mall of Asia. It's a Christmas market, huh? So we're shopping here at Onitsuka Tiger. We don't have this in Bay Area. Abe is trying on also.
It's a 9.5.
Melody is getting another one. We just came from Mall of Asia. We stopped by here for lunch at Las Flores. We are here in BGC. We are here at Laduré, waiting for the girls. Oy, bibidyo muna ko kayo. Andito na sila. Good morning, world. Me and my hubby are walking today here at Manila Bay. This is Mall of Asia. Okay, we're here at the dead end. No, this is not a dead end. Okay, let's go back. It's getting hot now. After eating breakfast, we decided to go to a mass here at this church. It's like 6 minutes away from our hotel.
Better than the big one.
Okay, we are here at the pool again. Because we don't have anything to do, so we're just gonna stay here, hang out, swim, and enjoy coconut. No one is here, just us. Hubby is over there. We order another halo-halo after swimming. Look at that. These two are working. We are here eating at the buffet. We have some mangoes. I got treats to go from the buffet. Biko. And then some. We have a nice view. Same thing, we ordered
We didn't order same thing.
food today for room in dining. We got kare-kare. We are here at the buffet. We just grab food to go. They let us do that because we told them that we have an early flight today. Oh, there's our food. Oh, thank you. This is Hilton Lounge at Newport World Resorts. Let me show you what they have. So while you're waiting for your room, you can hang out here. So checking in here now for just 3 nights before going to Antipolo. This is Hilton. Let's see the bathroom. Oh, nice. They have a better bottled water in the lounge. Can you open, Melody? Let's see. Let's see the view.
Oh my god.
Now. after coming from Cagayan. And then go look at the bathroom.
Grandma gonna get mad. I'll pay for you. Look at the pool.
Very nice.
Whoa.
Really big. There's people swimming. She looks
Duh.
naked in there.
This is the breakfast buffet here at Hilton Newport. These are the pastries and breads. May white rabbit candy pa. Candies. What is this? Oh. Salad stations. Vegan selections. Cereals. Milk. Cheeses. Oh, this is their yeah, if you want some soup, maybe I'll get some soup. Fruits. Which one did you get? Getting some bread? This is the Filipino station. Ooh. Mga sauce. Suka, vinegar, soy sauce. Meron din kakanin. Tinapay. Tsaka daing, tapa-tapa. Hmm? I got some oatmeal. I don't know what to get. Because I'm not hungry. This is where we're staying for 3 nights. Before going to Antipolo, we just arrived from Cagayan yesterday. This part is the mall. There's so many restaurants in there, and this is the walkway to the mall from Hilton. We're going to a dinner at the mall. There's so many restaurants here. More restaurants than shopping. I just want to take a video of this big Christmas tree. Oops, dang, what is that? What are we gonna eat? So
There's too many options.
there's that's really hard. We're gonna eat here. Go, Dad. Looks really nice. Papi ordered a hamachi sama.
also stay in there.
Yeah, I like it the way they serve it. Melody got a gyoza and I got a udon, beef udon.
We switch that out.
Ang ganda ng lobby. Right, Dad? We are here at the lounge. This is where we're gonna eat dinner for tonight. What's good about here is like they have
See what they have.
all day snacks and refreshments, and they also have hot foods. Desserts. Some fruits. Which one?
The one that the menu from table.
You can. Are you gonna order those or what?
Yes, I ordered it. I think I want. You want this one? Let's get this one.
I think I I like sourdough.
This is sourdough.
Or get the baguette.
You want sourdough? I'm gonna cut you one.
So this is what we have. You can order this. Ikaw gusto mo, ma'am? Pandesal, guys. One.
How many, ma'am?
How many? Two for me.
May kasama ng butter.
Salamat. Ikaw, lagi ayaw mo?
Na okay na ako. Busog na ako.
Enjoy your breakfast po.
Thank you.
So tiny. So tiny. We are now checking out here at Hilton Newport, Manila.
For only 3 days.
We are going to Antipolo now.
How much is it? So I still have money left on my credit. So American Express.
I didn't take a lot of video here. You know, I'm just so lazy. But it's a really nice hotel. It's nice to stop by. You know, when you arrive and when you leave, because it's close to the airport.
It's convenient.
Yeah, it's convenient.
And the food selection.
Yep. And if you're a Diamond member, it's nice.
Free everything.
It's you can have a free food from breakfast to dinner, and you can because you can go to the executive lounge if you're a Diamond member. Waiting now for our ride to Antipolo. We're gonna be there for Christmas and staying there until the 27th. Ito yung luggage namin, ang dami. Bale, 7.